Hi, welcome to MabuTribe. I'm so excited to tell you more about our product range. We are here to help you enjoy your healthy natural hair. And one thing that you need to really understand about the product range is that it's designed to repair damage in the hair with healing ingredients. So the healing ingredients are there to do two core things. The first one being to balance moisture and strengthen the hair, and the second thing is that it soothes and revives the scalp for healthy hair growth. So you know that when you're using the MabuTribe range, you're healing your scalp and your hair and growing it. Our product range is pro health. We don't have ingredients that clog the hair, so no paraffins, petroleum, silicones, mineral oils that actually create like a seal over the scalp and the hair and don't allow new ingredients to come into your hair and don't allow the scalp and the hair to breathe. We also don't have ingredients that have any controversies or might be harmful to the scalp or hair, and also that strip the hair. So our whole range is pro health, and it's also mild enough for the whole family. So any of the MabuTribe products can be used by the whole family. When it comes to ingredients, we use nature's best ingredients to repair and grow the hair, as well as to bring moisture and strength to the hair. You'll notice that aloe vera is core to almost all our products except the oil and the nourishing pomade. Aloe vera is a healing ingredient that brings healing to the scalp and the hair as well as deep moisture. We also have peppermint oil in our products that really helps with blood circulation and helps with healthy hair growth. When it comes to the kids range, the core focus there is to make sure that the hair and the scalp is really being soothed by lavender essential oils, and that we are catering for a tender, growing scalp and hair. When it comes to the adult range, it's really about healing damaged scalp and hair and creating an environment where healthy hair growth can be revived again. The kids range is made up of 4 products, and we call it the ABC Happy Hair Routine. So there is a 2-in-1 shampoo, which makes it easy for a one step where the hair is being washed and cleaned, as well as conditioned, which means protected and revived and treated. The second step would be to moisturize the hair. This is where you go in with the lock combo, which is the hydrating mist, the shea aloe cream, and the oil. And with these steps, one is able to wash your little one's hair. You're able to actually moisturize it and make sure that it is strengthened. With the adult range, we call it the 1, 2, 3 healthy hair routine. So it's 3 steps, where the first step is where you clean your scalp and your hair. This is where you use the moisturizing shampoo, or you can use the 2-in-1 co-wash, which is our rejuvenating co-wash. After that, you would need to go in and actually condition and treat your hair. The deep repair conditioner is a deep repair treatment. So every time you get a MabuTribe wash, you are treating your hair. And that would be your second step. The next step would be to moisturize that hair with the lock combo. And you're able to use the hydrating mist, the shea aloe cream, as well as the oil to bring in moisture and to bring in protection and strength into your strands. Next product is the nourishing pomade that's made for the whole family, the adults and the kids. This is where healthy hair meets styling. So you're now able to lay those edges, you're able to mold those dreadlocks, you are able to retwist the locks, you're able to do your sleek back without worrying about your hair cracking and getting damaged. In fact, the nourishing pomade is strengthening your hair strands as you style. So you're able to get in more strength, more shine, and lock in moisture in your hair as you're styling. The nourishing pomade is great for reapplication on every other day. You're able to also add in moisture to revive the hair. So that becomes the way you protect your hair while you're styling. What's important to note is that the MabuTribe Healthy Hair range is made to revive moisture in hair strands. So Your hair could be natural and just left free, and you would use the routines as we have described them. Your hair can also be straightened or relaxed, and in that case, you would want hair that is restored from the damage of straightening the hair, and you want a touch of moisture. So you wouldn't go in with all the moisturizing products because that would be heavy on straightened hair. So what you do is use the rejuvenating co-wash to revitalize your hair, and then you'd use the sheer aloe cream to actually bring in moisture and seal in moisture in your hair. And then you can go in on your scalp with the scalp and hair oil. You can also use our product range for locks or braid care. With locks and braids, you want a touch of moisture without clogging your hair strands, but you want them clean and you want them strong. So when it comes to that kind of hairstyle, you are going to use the moisturizing shampoo to wash your hair, clean your scalp, and ensure that your hair and scalp is breathing and is ready to receive the next products, which would be the hydrating mist, which ensures that your scalp is relieved from itchiness as well as revitalized with moisture, and your hair strands are revitalized with moisture and strength. Then you can go in, base your scalp with the hair and scalp oil, and strengthen those strands as well. So remember, at MabuTribe, we believe that how you see yourself affects how you show up in the world. And so hair for us is not just hair, it's a crown of identity. And that's why we want every one of our clients to enjoy their natural